Hello guys, আজি ভিডিওটোলৈ আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো আৰু আজি আমি শিকিবলৈ গৈ আছো have আৰু hasৰ past tense or former বিষয়ে. All right. So far we have learned so in the present tense, but present tense ত কেনেকৈ হয় আমি লাষ্ট ক্লাছত শিকিছিলো. That is about I have a car, we have a car, you have a car. I have a car, মোৰ এখন গাড়ী আছে. We have a car, আমাৰ এখন গাড়ী আছে. You have a car, তোমাৰ এখন গাড়ী আছে বা আপোনাৰ এখন গাড়ী আছে. That means first person I, we and second person you লগত সদায় have হয়. Next we learn so he has a car, she has a car, Ajay has a car. This way if it is third person and singular number, যদি হে subject to third person singular number হয় has use কৰো. And now today we will learn how to use in the past tense. Jodi ami ei ekekini kotha ke past tense ko kenoge hobo. So in the past tense I have a car, mor ekhon gari ase. Jodi ko mor ekhon gari asil, have or past tense hoise had. So I had a car, mor ekhon gari asil. And again we have a car, amar ekhon gari ase. Past tense hole hobo we had a car, amar ekhon gari asil. Next one is you have a car, তোমার এখন গাড়ি আছে বা আপনার এখন গাড়ি আছিল. Past tense কলে হ'ব you had a car, তোমার এখন গাড়ি আছিল বা আপনার এখন গাড়ি আছিল. Next one is he has a car, তেওঁৰ এখন গাড়ি আছে. Past tense has আৰু past tense হৈছে had. That's why he had a car, তেওঁৰ এখন গাড়ি আছিল. She has a car, তাইৰ এখন গাড়ি আছে. Again has a past tense, she had a car, তাইৰ এখন গাড়ি আছিল. Ajay has a car, Ajay ekhon gari ase. Past tense Ajay had a car, Ajay ekhon gari asil. So tetia hole ami ki hikilo etia leke. So have aru has or past tense or root hoise had. I hope this point is clear. Etia leke apnalokar etu point to clear hoi goise. Have aru has or past tense hoise had. Now we are going to learn how we can convert into a negative and question sentences. So far we have learned in the present tense we learned present tense ami kenebe hikisilo. So I have a car, mor ekhon gari ase. Our verb was have. So mor ekhon gari nasil, I don't have a car. Ami do ya kior hohai lolu jetia eta sentence be verb or possessive nathake. Be verbs are am, is, are, was and were. Ei past er etao jodi nathake, then we have to take help from the helping verb. Helping verb kon kon asile do, does aru did. Present tense or helping verb hoise do aru does. Ami itimodhe kisu does third person singular number logot use kora hoy aru do baki hokolo bilakor logot. So amar subject hoise I have a car, jeto first person I don't have a car, mor ekhon gari nai. So we already learned it. Question, do I have a car, mor ekhon gari ase neki? And negative question, don't I have a car, mor gari nai neki? Next one is in the past tense. So ami itimodhe paisu have or past tense hoise had. I had a car. Our verb is have. This is the V2, means the second form of the verb. Mor ekhon gari asil. Todi ami ko mor ekhon gari nasil. Tetia hole agar ami helping verb paisilu do. Do is the helping verb of the present. Present er helping verb hoise do. Present er do helping verb lage aru do past tense hoise did. Ekane ami ya did or proyog korim. So I did not have a car. Mor ekhon gari nasil. I did not aru mor rakibo did not pisot ei had to apo have. Ya V1 hoise. After did always have, did or pisot have hoy. Ekone hol I did not have a car, mor ekhon gari nasil. Ako jodi question hodu same rule, did to agolo ahibo, did I have a car, mor ekhon gari asil neki? And negative question, did not I have a car, mor gari nasil neki? Mor ekhon gari asil, mor ekhon gari nasil, mor ekhon gari asil neki? Mor ekhon gari nasil neki? So this is the way we make negative sentences. So as I have already told you, so it is the same with all the numbers in the person. First person, second person, third person, doesn't matter. Hokole loge dide hoy. Now I'm just going to show you with the help of the chart kenebe ekhini ke positive negative kenebe kobo pari ebike ami chart or pora hikibole goi asu. Ahok tende ami chart khonor pora hiku. Protome apnaloge yar pora ta screenshot loi loba pare. Our first sentence is I had a car, mor ekhon gari asil. Negative, I didn't have a car. Question, did I have a car? Negative question, didn't I have a car? Mor ekhon gari asil, mor gari nasil, mor gari asil neki, mor gari nasil neki. Next one is we had a car, amar ekhon gari asil. We didn't have a car. Amar ekhon gari nasil. Did we have a car? Amar ekhon gari asil neki. Didn't we have a car? Amar gari nasil neki. Next one. You had a car. Tumar ekhon gari asil. You didn't have a car. Tumar ekhon gari nasil. Did you have a car? Tumar ekhon gari asil neki. Didn't you have a car? Tumar gari nasil neki. Third person, actually a person or kuno kotha nai. First person, second person, third person hokol logot had a hobo. So he had a car. Tumar ekhon gari asil. Tumar gari nasil. He didn't have a car. Question: did he have a car? Tumar gari asil neki. And negative question: didn't he have a car? She had a car. Tair ekhon gari asil. She didn't have a car. Tair gari nasil. Did she have a car? Tair gari asil neki. Didn't she have a car? Tair gari nasil neki. Next one, they had a car. Hiyotor ekhon gari asil. Nasil. They didn't have a car. Hiyotor gari nasil. Did they have a car? Hiyotor gari asil neki. And didn't they have a car? Hiyotor gari nasil neki. This is the way you have to repeat after the chart about 15 to 20 times and set them at the tip of your tongue. Now so what? Now we'll come back to the exercise sentences to practice. So first sentence is I had a dream. I had a dream. Murata hopon asil ba murata hopon dekhisilu. Negative sentence ami kinai our verb is had. So ami hadn't kobo norim. Ami didn't help nam. I did not have a dream. Question: did I have a dream? And negative question: didn't I have a dream? Next one is Jubin had long hair. So our singer Jubin Garg had long hair once. I got a lesson. Second, so Jubin had long hair. Nasil. Jubin did not have long hair. Nasil. Asil neki. Did Jubin have long hair? And negative question: didn't Jubin have long hair? Next one is she had COVID-19. তাই COVID-19 মানে করোনা হয়েছিল তাই করোনা হয়েছিল আমি কারবার কি বেমার হয়েছিল কব কারণে আমি have আৰু has লগাও আৰু ইয়াৰে past tense ফর্ম হৈছে had so she had COVID-19 তাই COVID-19 হয়েছিল এটো বেমার হয়েছিল নেগেটিভ she did not have COVID-19 question did she have COVID-19 and negative question didn't she have COVID-19 what আছিল নি they had a meeting ইয়াৰ এখন মিটিং আছিল they had a meeting negative they didn't have a meeting তেখেতসকলৰ মিটিং আছিল did they have a meeting তেখেতসকলৰ মিটিং আছিল নেকি and did they have a meeting তেখেতসকলৰ মিটিং নাছিল নেকি next one Dashrath had 4 sons or চাৰিজন পুত্ৰ আছিল by the way আপোনালোকে ৰাম মন্দিৰ নিশ্চয় এতিয়া সকলোতে চৰ্চা হৈ আছে আপোনালোকৰ কোনোবাই গৈছিল নেকি So Janam, negative, Dashrath didn't have 4 sons. Question, did Dashrath have 4 sons? And did Dashrath have 4 sons? Next one, Ravan had 10 heads. Ravanor kwa hoy tehedor 10ta mur asil. Negative, Ravan didn't have 4 heads. Did Ravan have 4 heads? And did Ravan have 4 heads? Next one was you had an interview. Tomorrow ta interview asil. You didn't have an interview. Did you have an interview? Didn't you have an interview? So this is the way you try to make 4 sentences out of 1. Aru ekhini khub practice koribo jate pasole ami holholia koi aru confidently English kobo paru. Ahok ami etia ho kenekoi eketa sentence opra 14-15 ta sentence banabo pari. ঠিক আছে আমি প্ৰথম সেন্টেন্স লৈছো হিয়তৰ এটা হাতী আছিল হিয়তৰ হাতী আছিল মানে एक्चुअली কি হয় তেখেতসকল আছিল হাতীৰ মালিক হাতীৰ গৰাকী আমি জানো গৰাকী বা মালিক দেখাবৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ হ্যাভ আৰু হ্যাজৰ ইউজ হয় যেহেতু এটা আছিল past tense শব্দ হ্যাভ আৰু হ্যাজৰ past tense had এই কাৰণে হিয়তৰ মানে হৈছে দে এই কাৰণে হ'ব মেইন সেন্টেন্স হ'ব দে হ্যাড এন এলিফেন্ট হিয়তৰ এটা হাতী আছিল এই সেন্টেন্স যদি আমি নেগেটিভ কৰো হিয়তৰ এটা হাতী নাছিল দে didn't have an elephant nasil hiator eta hati asil neki did they have an elephant hiator hati nasil neki didn't they have an elephant prothom saita ma akoba koi disu they had an elephant, they didn't have an elephant, did they have an elephant, didn't they have an elephant. এতিয়া আমাৰ 5 নম্বৰ সেন্টেন্সটো ইহঁতৰ এটা হাতী আছিল নে নাছিল আমি আকৌ প্ৰথমতে আহি আমাৰ থাৰ্ড সেন্টেন্স হৈছিলে did they have an elephant এই সেন্টেন্সটো আগত এইটো প্ৰায় আমি 5 নম্বৰ সেন্টেন্সটো কৰিম ইহঁতৰ এটা হাতী আছিল নে নাছিল did they have an elephant or not ইহঁতৰ এটা হাতী আছিল নে নাছিল next one is ইহঁতৰ কেতিয়া আছিল ইহঁতৰ কেতিয়া হাতী আছিল কেতিয়া মানে হৈছে when did they have an elephant ইহঁতৰ কেতিয়া হাতী আছিল next word is ইহঁতৰ কিয় হাতী আছিল কিয় means why did they have an elephant ইহঁতৰ কেতিয়া কিয় হাতী আছিল কিয় নাছিল negative question why did they have an elephant ইহঁতৰ কিয় হাতী নাছিল যদি আমি অধিবেশন কাৰ হাতী আছিল কাৰ মানে নরমালি হৈছে whose কিন্তু আমি whose ইউজ নকৰিম এটা আমি কম who had an elephant কাৰ এটা হাতী আছিল কাৰ হাতী নাছিল who didn't have an elephant next one is সকলোৰে এটা হাতী আছিল everybody had an elephant কাৰোৱে হাতী নাছিল negative nobody had an elephant next one is কাৰোবাৰ হাতী আছিল নেকি did anybody have an elephant কাৰোৱে হাতী নাছিল নেকি didn't anybody have an elephant next আমি যদি উৰিব বিচাৰো ইহঁতৰ কেইটা হাতী আছিল how many elephants did they have so this is the way we can go on making sentences আমি যদি উৰিব বিচাৰো দশৰথৰ কেইজন পুত্ৰ আছিল how many sons did Dasharatha have ৰাৱণৰ কেইটা মূৰ আছিল how many heads did Ravan have Yudhishthiraৰ কেইজন ভাইক আছিল how many brothers did Yudhishthira have so this is the way we can make negative and question sentences with the help of the verb had কেনেকৈ হয় আমি শিকিলো I hope you like the video so press the like button give me a like and also if you are new to my channel subscribe it and share with your friends thank you for watching see you in my next video